sand the top part of the hood, and I started with a 220 grit paper. I quickly run the surface with that, and then I took 400 grit paper and went the area through with that. And I wanted to show you guys what I meant by saying this primer is very easy to sand. So I'll try to show you what I meant about it. This is a 240 grit paper. As you can see, I did few passes with 240 grit paper, and there's some roughness in the areas, but it really does sand well. I'll hit that same spots with 400 grit. Let's see what happens. Okay, I'm not sure if you're gonna see it, but there's just minor roughness in that area, so I'll continue sanding the hood and I'll be back a little later. But man, I say that's easy sanding primer. Easy sanding, alright. I managed to sand through the primer in few spots. I'm glad that I noticed the wash primer shining under, and I didn't sand to the bare metal. The edges were the places where I sanded through. There was one spot, minor. In this edge here was a minor. Here was a minor, and this one was the worst one. There is a little bit of a high spot over there, and I was sanding with 400 grit and it went straight through the primer. So I decided to prime this hood again and laid several layers of primer to the edges so that I have more material to work the next time I sand. It came out pretty good, better than the other time, first time. It's a lot smoother than before, and I'm glad with that. I don't think I have to do a lot of work with this one the next time. Okay, now I have the parts to repair my W203 C-Class Mercedes front suspension. I have the sway bar links, and today I bought these upper front control arms. I changed the lower ones about a month ago, and now it's time to change these ones. And these control arms are the weak link of the C-Class Mercedes front suspension. I haven't changed these ones before, so I bought these coil spring clamps just for sure. I don't think I'm gonna need them, but it's good to have them in the garage for the future use. What I found also was this 5-inch grinder, and it was interesting because it promises to use only 80 liters of air per minute, or 2.8 CFM, and it has this vacuum outlet in the back, and it was only 40 euros, 50 bucks or so. So I thought that why not? I'll take it. I also found this touch-up gun. It felt good in the shop. The controls seem to be okay, and I didn't have that kind in my shop, and I thought that maybe I'll need it in the future, and surely I did. I painted the primer with this gun, and it gave quite a good result. What I also bought was this gas mask for painting, and it worked well. And also I bought a little bit of sanding paper for that 5-inch grinder. So that's it for tonight. I'll be changing those in a couple of days, and I'm going to at least sand that hood tomorrow. I'm not sure if I'm going to be able to paint the base coat to it, but let's see what happens. Alright, see you later, guys. Bye.